Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Anosha for those who are new here. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm sharing all the cute things. Today I'm sharing some pieces from Sezane that I really love. It's actually a new brand that I'm shopping. I've never shopped there before, but I've seen them on the gram over and over again, and I really was intrigued by their minimalistic French girl style. And as I'm getting older, I'm really getting more into the classic silhouettes, the minimalistic vibe, and just higher quality clothing. So I'm going to share some pieces I got from there that I really love, that I feel like are great additions to your closet. And I think I'm a new fan of this brand. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm wearing is this basic tee. I feel like all their pieces on their website, for the most part, like 95%, are basic classic pieces in your closet. Staple pieces, they all go together. You could literally buy their whole selection and just be set for life. So I love their t-shirts. I have a couple pairs of them. I would say they fit true to size. They're really comfy. They feel high quality. And I'm wearing them with their skinny jeans. I'm not a huge skinny jeans person, but black skinny jeans I can get behind because they kind of mirror leggings to me, and I feel like they go with so many things, especially in the winter. I feel like these will be perfect to go under my boots and sweaters. I would style them with these loafers that I also got from Sezane. Look at these penny loafers. How cute are these? How cute are these, guys? I love them. Complete the look, I would throw on a blazer. This is for sure something I would wear, just throw on and go. These loafers, they're so comfortable. It's giving, give me my croissant. I will say their jeans run a little bit small. I would say a size small. I got my normal size in these because they had stretch, but they are still a little bit snug. But I know with jeans, they kind of stretch a little bit. So I didn't want them to be too loose. So I think these are fine because of the stretch. But I have another pair that I'll show you that don't have stretch, and I had to go up a whole size. So these are the jeans I was talking about. They have no stretch to them, so I had to go up a full size. They still fit snug but comfortable. I just paired it with these brown loafers, also from Sezane. These are definitely giving old man vibes, but for some reason I've just been wanting a good pair of brown loafers, and I think these ones are perfect. The leather is high quality, they're comfortable. The only thing is they do fit a little big. I should have gone a size down. So definitely go a size down than what you think you should get. If you're in between sizes, go to the lower size. I don't mind because I feel like I plan on wearing them with thick socks. That'll make up for that. But I'm into the old man vibe. This sweater is also from Sezane. It's a cardigan. It can be worn open or tucked in as a sweater. It's really cozy. They have, I will say, they have the best sweaters as far as quality, comfort, and price. That's nice. If you know, you know. Only a few people are gonna know that joke. But anyway, yeah, as far as the quality of their sweaters and the variety that they offer, I feel like if you're looking for sweaters, Sezane is the best place to find them. I think this sweater would also pair really cute under a button down. I got this button down from them. I'm telling you, all their pieces are just classic pieces. Who doesn't need a button down? This is something you're gonna wear all the time. Sweaters, jeans, they figured it out. Well, this is the button down. I got it a size bigger because I wanted it to fit oversized. And this is it paired under the cardigan. I feel like I'm someone's mom right now, but I really like it. I actually am someone's mom. Two people's mom. So yeah, it's a very, very, very French girl. I feel like I need to be in Europe with this outfit. This is another way I would wear the jeans. This is also another basic t-shirt from Sezane. Just threw on a blazer with the jeans and the loafers. It's giving working mom. It's giving je m'appelle. My dream, guys, is to live in Europe, so I'm just living vicariously through the clothes right now. But this is definitely one way I would style them, and I feel like I would wear this all the time. Last is the sweater, which is really cute tucked into the jeans. Just a cute casual sweater. It's also a cardigan, a button, so you can wear it open. I like it worn a little bit off the shoulders, but you can wear it on the shoulders too. This is one way I would style it. The denim skirt and boots. Perfect for fall and winter. Sweater is actually really versatile, in the sense of wearing it off the shoulders, unbuttoned, under something. I feel like there's so many different ways you can wear it. Yeah, I'm a fan of this outfit. So what do you guys think of Sezane? I really think You cannot go wrong with any of their pieces. They will pair with anything in your closet, and it's really high quality. I think it's definitely worth the price point that it's at, and it's become like a new go-to for me when I'm looking for especially like sweaters. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like these pieces. Let me know which one was your favorite outfit, and I'll see you guys next time.